Good afternoon. Today is August 15 and it's almost 5 o'clock in the afternoon. We just came from the city and I want to show you our dragon fruit before we harvest, so what they look like. Kay daghan gyud sa among customer niingon nga tamis. They're so sweet compared to what they can buy in the market, and I'm gonna show you why. So, uy, we're so glad this area is clean na. Na-schedule na gid nila limpyo kay libo na kay ni last time. And sadly, this is our apple tree. Hopefully, nag-ilis lang siya dahon. Nahutan man siya dahon. May tag wala ni namatay. Our piglets are over there. They're not so piglets anymore. They're growing so fast. Thanks to our farmhand. Kay giampingan na gyud og maayo compared sa last time. And okay, so let's start from this post. Kanina lang. So kani siya, ready na ni siya for harvest. Kay sakto na gyud siya sa hinog. Kanina lang siya nga part ang green. Kay ang sa merkado or let's say department store, most of them are usually coming from big farms, kanang dinaghan gyud. So they harvest it before mainani og color. So like kani siya, when these parts here mo start na ni siya og pink, reddish, or I think light pink. Kay ilan na ang kuhaon, kay magpacking pa sila. Unya travel time pa kung asa nila i-deliver ang ilahang produce. So it will take 3 to 5 days siguro. So muna dili sila makaabot og inani ka hinog because of their schedule nga gi-follow sad. And thankfully here in our farm we only have few posts. Unya we contact our friends and relatives and mga suki beforehand kung kinsay mo order. So we know the allocation for the dragon fruits nga among i-harvest. Like makontak na namo nga this week we have about 10 kilos order. So ibana-bana sad namo pila pud ang i-harvest nga sakto sa hinog. Like this one. This is a very good condition for harvesting. So tamis na kayo ni sila kani. And also when you buy, ang ila daw ilhanan if it is freshly harvested kay dili brown ang kaning inani niya, green pa. So let's say for example this one, if we are going to harvest this, so na pa siya green. If na-harvest na siya for how many days, hello chickens, na-harvest na siya pila ka days, kay musugod na ni siya og kalaya, it will turn to brown if it's harvested for more than 3 days. Yeah, na-store na siya in their boxes for delivery. So mao na siya. I hope there's one that I can show you nga kanang ang pa ba. Kay muna siya dili tamis. I think we can find. So humana ni siya limpyo ang sagbot. Unya, nitaas na sa siya balik. This is just what we do every single time. Sige palimpyo, sige palimpyo. Ay, naadi ay. We have one. One or two, I think na ako nakitaan. Kani siya. This kind, diba? It's still pinkish. Niya na pa green. So, most of the big farms, kuhaon na nila inani nga color. So, kani, dili mi ka-guarantee nga tamis kay ni siya. So, we will wait. If init gid kayo, let's say tomorrow it will be sunny for the whole day, this will turn red mga 2 days. Like same atong gipakita nako nga ready for harvest na. So this is perfect example for early harvest and not very sweet. Bisan pa og dili siya makaon dayon nga mo red siya, not on the stem, ni red na lang siya sa storage na or sa box. It's not as sweet as the ones which turned red on the post. So kana siya, ready na siya. And one more. Wow. There's 3 in 1 branch. May gani ulay gagmay. Nami mga gagmay na harvest. Kay sobra ra siya in 1 post. Hindi nakadaog ang nutrients sa soil. This one, another flower nga maabort. Dali ra kay siya matangtang if not healthy nga flower. This one, not ready na siya for harvest. Also this one, so mag-harvest na to ra namong farmhand. He's still feeding the chickens. This one. Wow, there's so many sparrows. Maklaro ba? I don't think you can see it. There's a lot of birds today. And we still have one more. Kani kay victim ni siya sa hulmigas. Wala ni siya nabantayan. And then this post, let's see. There's only one ripe dragon fruit there. Basta kanina lang siya ang green. This is okay. And this flower maybe will bloom tonight or tomorrow night. And like I mentioned from my previous video, naanami cacao. So nagpa-schedule sa kunila og tanom, so they planted 2 rows. This one. And this one. And that goes straight there. 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 And this one, that's cacao, 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 cacao. The end of the fence line. Wow, kanindot tanawon hawan. And it's a little foggy, kay nag-uwan gikan. Muni, I'm confident to go around kay limpyo naman. And then i-harvest day na mo today. It's gonna be our 5th harvest. So the first harvest that we had nga daghan, 14 kilos, and then the second one is 22 kilos, and then the third one is mga 20 ra siguro to kapin. Ya ang last katong daghan na gyud may og order, mga 13 or 14 customers gid among na-serve ato, kay we reached 45 kilos. Na ami mga BO, wala na mo gi-appeal, but amo sang gikaon personal consumption. Katong gagmay na gid kaayo og katong naay fungus bitaw, the one I showed before. Ang na-dispose na mo nga halin gyud is about 40 kilos. And the price in the market now is good. They're okay with our prices, and we just do free delivery for bulk orders. Yeah, katong mga sikit-sikit ra, especially mga kaila lang nako, even if they order 2 or 3, we still do free delivery since we are in the area. Napaay. Ini ang Bermuda kay nitubo na pod. Compare dito ay sagbot gid siya. So, mo ni among gipakatay sa diri. Na kani bati pa kayo. Dapa. Naday ko ipakita niyo katong lista. My schedule for the fertilizer. I'm gonna show you something before I finish. Among service nga motor para daog. Oh, so many. I know. What's that? Para haling. Not daog. And here, this is my notebook. So we have this dragon fruit schedule. So naami organic, 14-14, urea, and potash. So like I said before, I just search online and then refer to not only one website or one dragon fruit blogger. I also check with the others if they have at least same application, and then I do chicken. I do trial and error for mine. Kay wala man gyud usa ka paagi sa pagtanom, lahi-lahi tanan kay considering the weather and then the soil and sa pa may lain na factor. Yeah, I think mura na sila basically. Kay uwan or init, mura man gid na. And then composition sa soil. So mo ni siya 3 months, 6 months, 9 months ang diferensya. And then more on 14-14, and then also urea if it's year 1 and then 1 year up na wala pa ang season. If you can see, it's only 4.5 nga tablespoon, but it switched to 18. Pero for me, wala ko kasway og 18. Inana kadaghan sad. Itimpla ra gyapon ako siya og isa ka balde sa usa ka lata, and then apply to to all the posts. So I think that's it. If you have questions about that, just let me know. Bye. See you next time.